Welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Tadani, and we have got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. Microsoft is bringing artificial intelligence to its classic apps, Paint and Notepad, with new features to boost creativity and productivity for Windows insiders in the Canary and Date channels on Windows 11. Paint now includes generative fill and generative erase. Generative fill lets users add or modify image elements by selecting an area, describing what they want to add, like creating a medieval castle or Windows XP wallpaper. Generative erase allows users to remove unwanted objects from images, filling in the background seamlessly. Generative fill is initially available on Snapdragon-powered Copilot Plus PCs, while generative erase is accessible to all Windows 11 users. Notepad also receives a significant AI boost with a rewrite feature, enabling users to rephrase, adjust tone, or change text length. This preview feature will allow users to generate multiple variations of selected text, enhancing flexibility in writing. Google Pixel phone app is advancing its call screen feature with the upcoming edition of AI-powered replies. Building on the contextual replies introduced in December 2023, AI replies will generate responses based on the caller's questions or requests using large language models. This allows for real-time situation-specific replies, potentially offering options like confirm or cancel appointment when relevant. This new capability is a part of Call Assistant, Google's suite of AI-driven features that includes call notes, hold for me, and clear calling, now symbolized by a Gemini sparkle instead of the assistant logo. In the latest beta version of the phone app, reference to Dobby_AI and Dobby_LLM suggests that the tool will use Gemini Nano, a lightweight model for mobile devices. Users will need to activate AI replies, agreeing on a disclaimer that note responses are AI generated and might be inaccurate. Samsung is set to enhance its Galaxy AI suite with advanced features aimed at improving user personalization and security. The company, led by Kim Dae-Hyun, director of Samsung's Research Global AI Center, revealed its plans to develop a knowledge graph technology that will power personalized AI services across devices. The technology will gather data on user behavior and preferences, allowing Samsung to provide tailored experiences such as fitness tracking or navigation assistance through Galaxy AI. In addition, Samsung is also adopting a hybrid AI model that combines both on-device and cloud-based processing. The approach is designed to provide users with faster, low-latency AI features while maintaining data security. Some AI tasks will be handled in the cloud for speed, while sensitive data will remain on the device for privacy. Now, before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top on all tech things. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for all the latest tech news. Cover everything from pioneering AI advancement to hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve, and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. Moving ahead, Google's internal AI project Jarvis was briefly published on the Chrome Web Store, revealing key details about its capabilities. Jarvis was described as a helpful companion that serves the web with you. The AI tool uses agentic AI, which can integrate with web pages by capturing screenshots and processing images to understand the actions. It can perform tasks like clicking buttons, filling in text field, and navigating websites. The extension was briefly available for download before being removed on November 6, 2024. Accidental release likely provides an early look at the project, which was originally planned for December launch. Alongside Google's next generation Gemini AI model, Jarvis, Google aims to enhance web browsing by adding an AI assistant that can perform tasks directly rather than just suggesting action. xAI, Elon Musk's AI company, has rolled out Grok API for developers with a notable incentive: $25 in free credits every month until the end of 2024. The initiative aims to attract developers to build apps and software using Grok's capabilities. The API was initially launched last month, but xAI is now boosting its outreach with incentives. Developers who sign up via the xAI console can claim $25 worth of free credits each month, up to a total of $50 by the end of this year. Microsoft has launched a new AI-powered support virtual agent for Xbox aimed at helping users resolve support issues more efficiently. Available to select Xbox insiders in the US, this feature is accessible via support.xbox.com for English language users. The virtual agent provides answers to Xbox console and game support questions through text or voice queries. Xbox insiders can access it by signing into their registered account and visiting the Contact Us page on the support site. If the AI agent can't resolve an issue, users can still connect with the live support agent during operating hours. Users can rate the AI answers and provide feedback directly on the page. Additionally, Xbox insiders can choose between two virtual agent versions to personalize their support experience. On his inaugural visit to India, Mustafa Suleyman, Microsoft's AI chief, shared his vision on the future of artificial intelligence and its potential to reshape digital experiences in the country. Speaking at the Microsoft Building AI Companion for India event in Bangalore, Suleyman emphasized the role of AI Companion in providing a new class of personalized digital experiences that are aligned with individual interests. Suleiman praised India as one of Microsoft's fastest growing markets, noting the country's pool of talented engineers and developers. He highlighted that India's diversity in expertise from technologies to social scientists and creativity helps Microsoft build a more inclusive and comprehensive AI system. Regarding AI applications, Suleiman explained that AI companions will transform how people interact with technology, building meaningful personalized relationships in the future. Pointed out to Microsoft 365 Copilot as an example of how AI has already enhanced productivity, tailoring information to individual needs in the workplace and beyond. This was it for this week's AI Digest. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would like to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.